Hi, this is Redwood's Assistive Technology Resource Center. Today we're talking about PowerLinks. Many of you might be familiar with models 1, 2, and 3 of the PowerLink from AbleNet. This is the teal box that we're used to. It has several outlets on it, as well as knobs for controlling the mode and the time. Now AbleNet has a new version, the PowerLink 4. It's a really different look. Let's take a closer look at how it works. The new PowerLink gets rid of the knobs and adds buttons. You'll see a mode button, 2 status buttons, a positive and a negative arrow. First thing we need to do on the new PowerLink is turn it on. You'll see an on-off switch on the back of it. Once you turn it on, you'll see the lights come on and the numbers illuminate. Let's take a look at the mode button first. If I press the mode button, you'll see the blue lights illuminate which item I'm on. Right now, I'm under direct. We'll talk about later what each of these modes means. As I press the mode button, you can see the blue light change. When I get to timed, you'll see a number appear. On this side, it's timed seconds, and that number shows us how many seconds the device will run before it turns off. If I hit mode again, it goes over to timed minutes. Timed minutes and seconds go up to 99. Another hit allows us to go to 2 switch use, and another hit takes us to count. Now, what do all those things mean? Let's try it out. So, I've gotten out one of our fans to try out with the PowerLink. We can plug the fan in to one of the outlets on the PowerLink. The next thing we'll need is a switch. The PowerLink 4 has 2 switch jacks, one on each side. Let's try it out. The first mode we have is the direct mode. Direct mode means that as I press my switch, power is sent out to the device. As soon as I let go, the power goes off. The nice thing about the PowerLink 4 is that it has a red light that'll light up as the power is being sent to the device. Let's give it a try. As I'm holding my switch down, the fan is activated. When I let go, there's no power to the fan. Let's take a look at Latch Mode. If I press my mode button, we'll go to the Latch Mode. Latch Mode means that when I press the switch, the device comes on and stays on. It will only turn off when I hit the switch again. A quick hit of the switch turns my fan on, and it keeps going. When I hit my switch again, it turns off. The next mode we have is timed seconds mode. When I go to that mode, I'll see that numbers illuminate on the bottom of the PowerLink. Right now we're on number 3. If I hit the plus button, we can go up to 3, 4, 5, all the way to 99. Let's try 5 seconds. When I hit my switch, the fan stays on for 5 seconds. Once 5 seconds has elapsed, the fan turns off. In a similar fashion, if we hit the mode button again, we'll head to timed minutes. Now you can see we start at 1 minute. It also goes up to 99. It's really similar to how the timed seconds works. The next mode we have is 2 switch mode. Now this is something different for PowerLink. For 2 switch mode, I'll need to plug another switch into the other side of my PowerLink. This is a spec switch from AbleNet. In 2 switch mode, I need to hold down both switches to activate. If I let go of just one switch, the fan stops. Hold down both switches again, the fan goes on again. The next mode is count mode. Count mode takes account of every time the switch has been pressed and the device has been activated. It works very similarly to direct mode in that when I let go of my switch, the device stops. We don't need 2 switches for that one. When I hit my switch, the count goes up to 1 and I can release it and it will stop. If I hit my switch again, the count goes up to 2 and so on. I hope this helps you get a little bit more information about the new PowerLink 4 that you'll see on Assistive Technology Loan's library shelves. Thank you, And as always, if you need more help, give us a call, 859-331-0880.